In this tutorial I am going to show you how we can draw a line with an angle of 45 degree and a length of 50. So we have three different methods here. The first method is using snap angle, the second method is tab key, and the third method is using polar system coordinates. Let us go with first option here, snap angle. To activate this we have to type here snap angle and press enter. Now we have to give the value of 45. So as we can see, the cursor is oriented to 45 degree. Now to draw a line, I'll enter. I need to specify a point here and give the length of 50. Press enter. If I check the properties of this line by selecting a line and pressing Ctrl 1 key, we can see the length is 50 and the angle is 45. Before going to the second method, I will make the snap angle 0, snap angle, and give the value here 0. Now in this method, with the tab key, just take line command, I'll enter, specify first point here. Now give the length of 50 and do not press enter here, just press tab key, angle will be activated here. Now give the angle of 45 and press enter. Now to come out of this command, just press escape key. If we check the properties of this line, we can see now the length is 50 and angle is 45. Now coming to the third method, which is polar coordinate system. Again we have to take line command here, I'll enter. We need to specify a point here. Here we need to give the @ symbol. For that, hold the shift key and press 2. You will get the @ symbol. We need to give the length here 50. Then give the symbol of less than and type here 45 and press enter. Again to come out of the command, just press escape key. If we check the length now, we can see the length is 50 and angle is 45. So by using these three different methods, we can draw a line with any angle or any length. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.